Hi there. Today we're going to show you how to install a SIM card into either the 7151 or the 7004 Secure Network Gateway that has the embedded LTE modem. It's actually quite simple and straightforward. So I've got a 7151 here. 7004 looks the same except it doesn't have the Wi-Fi terminals on it. And I've got a good trusty 2FF SIM card here. This is for Verizon LTE, but you can see the SIM pads, they all look the same with the slot here. Now if you look on the back, you can see you have the Ethernet ports, and if we just turn it, you can see that we've got a SIM slot here. And what you're going to do is you want to take the SIM card with the metal pads up, and you want to find the slot and just push it in and click. That's it. SIM card's installed. Very important to note that the SIM card is only read on power up. So you have to pull the power out, put the SIM card in, and then plug the power back in. But that's it.